Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make this Afro Kinky wig. There's a tutorial I shared with you last year on the same, but now in today's tutorial, I'm going to make like a pussycat style. So if you find this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So I'm going to use this cap. You actually don't need to use this cap. You can just use the normal cap. But now what you have to do is to sew a lace in the middle because you want to create like a pussycat style. So I'm going to cut my lace from this cap and then sew it in the middle. So again, guys, you can just use the normal cap because even on my previous video, I just used a normal cap and then I crochet the braids that I was using on the cap. So mark the middle part of the cap, sew the lace on the cap, and then cut the cap so that you left with the lace.
Don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. Again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn.
So in my previous video, because I was using just a normal cap, I crochet my hair on the cap. But now in today's tutorial, I'm going to sew the braids on the cap because you know it's a lace wig and I can't like use the small crochet to crochet this hair on the cap. So I have to use the big crochet and that will tear the lace. So I'm just going to sew them and I'll be using this braid to support it so that when I pull it or when I style it, like no one can see the thread.
Don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. They said, be meek. Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. On to the place where all this began. Just start again. You won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. In the morning, I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you learned something from this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.
Leave without giving a warning. Leave without giving a.